Deep in the Texas Hill Country lies a motorcycle route that is touted as being the best that Texas has to offer, and one of the best in the U.S. A route full of twists and turns that take you over steep, rugged hills before descending into the beautiful river valleys below. A route that draws thousands of riders every year from both near and far to its beautiful vistas and incredible riding. Farm to Market roads 335, 336, and 337 combine to make up a route known as the Three Twisted Sisters. When I first heard about this route, I just blew it off as another overly hyped, heavily trafficked route that would be full of sightseers that would ruin almost any chance of enjoying the curves that did exist. That's been my experience just about every time the road gets curvy enough to put that extra thrill into the ride. You pass one car only to get behind another one, and the places to safely pass are few and far between. I think this is the reason we generally stick to the dirt roads. Less traffic. I'm not sure why we decided to give this route a try. It was a nice weekend and we wanted to get the motorcycles out. Texas doesn't offer a lot in the way of adventure motorcycling in the area that we're wintering in. So off we went. Our destination for the night was Garner State Park, but this was a trip that was definitely more about the journey than the destination. The plan was to make our way to Medina, have some lunch, and then see what the Three Twisted Sisters had to offer. Alright, we just had lunch at Keese's Barbecue, and we are starting the Three Twisted Sisters route. A pat on top of the helmet from a fellow motorcyclist and some flash headlights from a passing car warned us early in the ride not to let the fun get out of hand because we were being watched, and probably for good reason, which we were reminded of all along the route. So be careful. To pull over so I can wait for Tina. Imagine I've gotten ahead quite a ways. We'll pull over here. Wait for her. That was awesome. The multiple tight turns and incredible vistas that exist as you cross over the hills between Vanderpool and Leakey are by far my favorite. And if you start and finish in Medina, get to ride them twice. The first leg of our journey along the Three Twisted Sisters route took us from Medina to the Frio Canyon motorcycle stop in Leakey. It was 37 miles of some incredible riding that would have made the trip worth it if we stopped right there, but we had just got started. As you can see, motorcyclists are not the only ones who appreciate what this route has to offer. Numerous sports car enthusiasts were there to enjoy the route for the same reasons we were. Car clubs and individuals alike were there for the curves, the hills, and the beautiful vistas that the route is known for. And to our benefit, the majority of them was going the opposite direction that we were. I have to say, we were pleasantly surprised by the lack of traffic on this route. A few times someone did get in front of us that either pulled over or waved us by. I'm sure that's not always the case, but we had clear sailing for the entire route.
On the far side of town, sharing a dream with anyone. She's made it through heaven, she's made it through hell. It's just another story to tell. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Like the movie on the screen, filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights, making up a bar queen on the phone in the great big boulevard, the place she belongs. Just another story she tells. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your life was like the movie on the screen, filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood?
Gotta wait on Tina again. But this road has been a blast. Tina's not into the curves as much as I am, but I'm sure she's enjoying herself.
He was right about one thing. I was enjoying myself. But I do enjoy the curves as much as he does. I'm just playing it a little safer.
It's just another story she tells. Filled with heartbreaks and
By the time we reached Highway 41, we had ridden a couple of incredible roads. So the next 14 miles just drug by. Highway 41 is flat and straight, and even though the speed limit is 75 miles an hour, it seemed to take forever. The only good thing is you had that third sister to look forward to.
Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for you. I'm willing to trade my soul for a bit of your charm. There's no way I fade into oblivion, 'cause I'll keep shining over you all. And if your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. There's mud on the floor, disparate people trying to get through the door, although the room's already crowded. But I'll keep shining over you all. And with your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. Zeros, everybody's trying to be heroes, when all they have to say to be okay is I don't know. And keep trying again.
Riding through the valleys was amazing, and the ride itself was spectacular. The 335 was definitely my favorite.
Keep shining over you all with your wings entwining. You better face the fall. Zero, everybody's trying to be heroes, when all they have to say to be okay is I don't know. Are you okay? I'm not that sure. Keep trying again. I'll keep shining over you all with your wings entwining. You better face the fall.
Although fuel is available in Camp Wood, if you can make it to Leakey, you're going to save about 40 cents a gallon. At least that would have been the case the weekend that we went.
I was on a mission, I was on a plane. This is my transmission, I know I sound insane. Please just listen, pick me up, hold it down. Baby, just don't let me drown. Pick me up, hold it down. Baby, just don't let me drown. I am not a trickster, this is not a game. Wanna be a hero, 10 minutes to fame. Please just listen. La la la. I was on a mission, I was on a plane. This is my transmission, I know I sound insane. Please just listen, pick me up, hold it down. Baby, just don't let me drown. Pick me up, hold it down. Baby, just don't let me drown. I am not a trickster, this is not a game. Wanna be a hero, 10 minutes.
We've ridden some pretty good rides in the past. Beartooth Pass and Going to the Sun Road in Montana, the $1 Million Highway and several passes in Colorado, Lolo Pass on the border of Idaho and Montana, and several other rides in several other states. So we really didn't expect such an incredible ride from a route in Texas. The three Twisted Sisters kept a smile on our faces the entire time we were on it. It is said that there are over 200 curves on this route, 65 in a 15-mile stretch. I couldn't tell you how many there were. I didn't have time to count. I was having too much fun riding. I enjoyed every curve, hill, and awesome view along the way. There were a few obstacles that we encountered along the way. There was construction on 335 with some loose gravel in the roadway. Cattle guards spread throughout 336, with some of them even on the curves. Then there was the cattle themselves. 336 is constantly going in and out of rangeland, so don't be surprised if you see a cow or two. Rocks had fallen from the bluffs that lined the road. The few we had seen were pretty small, but it wouldn't take much to put you on the ground when you're already laying it over into a sharp curve. Alright, after we finished the Twisted Sisters route, we made our way to Garner State Park, which is where we're at now. And we didn't get here, well, we got here before with plenty of daylight left, but then we ended up talking to another motorcyclist for a while, so it took us till after dark to kind of get set up, so I didn't do any filming last night. But this is our spot. If you're wondering why we're not doing, or why we're not using a picnic table, it's because our picnic table is closer to their tent than it is to ours. So I set up here because I got started early. Didn't want to wake anybody up.
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night, and I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23, but I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights, and you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. Think of you now, though my memories turning bleak. I'm still walking this road, though my knees they are ever so weak. I never thanked you for putting your faith on a bum like me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be.
find yourself in the hill country of Texas, this is a ride that you are not going to want to miss. But it is also a route that demands your full attention. So if you want more than the occasional glance over the guardrail, allow yourself plenty of time to stop and enjoy what this route has to offer. Our late start caused us to have to miss a few things like the Lone Star Motorcycle Museum and several of the overlooks along the way that I'm sure had awesome views. So give yourself plenty of time and enjoy.
Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. I still think of you now, though my memories turning.
The motorcycle gods were smiling down upon us for this trip. The weather was perfect, the route was amazing, and what traffic there was going in the opposite direction. I'm not sure it can get much better than that.
Yeah, and wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be.
I would definitely do it again. The views aren't quite like they are in Montana, Colorado, but oh my goodness, the ride is pretty incredible. We just haven't had anything that was as good as this ride.
It's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to.
When you're having an incredible ride, and then you get stuck on Highway 41, that is 75 miles an hour and flat and straight. Those 14 miles was horrible.
I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe buttons. And leave a comment. If you didn't like it, let us know why. We're always trying to improve.